Do you feel pain in your knee and has this interfered with your routine? Whether climbing stairs, exercising, or even sleeping, this pain can be a real challenge. In today's video, we're going to talk about the 5 biggest difficulties faced by those who suffer from knee pain, and of course, some tips to better deal with this problem. So, if you want to improve your quality of life and alleviate this discomfort, stay with me until the end of the video, and in addition to the tips, I will give you a gift to help you solve this problem once and for all. Let's go? Hello everyone, welcome to Kala SOS Healthy. Here, your health comes first. Our channel is dedicated to bringing content about well-being, quality of life, and disease prevention, covering essential topics such as nutrition, physical exercise, mental health, longevity, and much more. If you are looking for a healthier and more balanced lifestyle, you are in the right place. Sign up, activate the bell, and follow our science-based tips and information to transform your routine and take care of your body and mind. Knee pain can be debilitating and compromise quality of life. However, some preventative measures can help strengthen the joint and reduce the risk of injury. Here are 5 essential solutions. 1. Muscle strengthening. Keeping the muscles around the knee strong is essential for the stability of the joint. Exercises for quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, and glutes help reduce the load on the knees and prevent injuries. Activities such as weight training, Pilates, and functional exercises are excellent options. 2. Avoid excess weight. Excess weight and obesity increase pressure on the knees, accelerating joint wear and increasing the risk of pain and inflammation. Maintaining a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular physical activity helps alleviate this burden. 3. Choose suitable pants. Wearing inappropriate shoes can compromise knee alignment and cause pain. Choose sneakers with good cushioning and adequate support, especially if you play sports or spend a lot of time on your feet. In some cases, orthopedic insoles may be recommended to improve posture and better distribute weight. 4. Avoid excessive impacts. High-impact activities, such as intense running and frequent jumping, can put stress on your knees. Alternating these exercises with low-impact activities, such as swimming, cycling, or walking on soft surfaces, can help protect your muscles. 5. Maintain good posture and warm up before exercise. A comfortable posture can put stress on your knees and increase your risk of pain. Furthermore, starting any physical activity without a proper warm-up can cause injuries. Always stretch and warm up before exercising to prepare your muscles and reduce the risk of knee problems. And as promised, I left a super gift for you in the description of this video, a treatment for persistent knee pain that will help you have a better, pain-free life. And if you purchase it through the link in the description, you will get a special discount and free shipping. Want more? If you don't buy it now, by adding it to the cart, you can take advantage of this super gift when you make your purchase later without losing any of these benefits. Isn't it too much? So, as soon as you finish watching the video, go to the description and click on the link so you don't miss out. Taking care of your knee health is essential to maintain mobility and quality of life. By adopting these solutions, it is possible to prevent joint pain and wear, ensuring greater comfort and well-being in everyday life. If it persists, look for a healthcare professional to evaluate the case and recommend the best treatment. So, tell us what topic you want us to talk about on the channel. Thanks for watching. Share this video with someone you love, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any valuable content, leave your like. Until the next video.